What's up, folks? How's it going? This is Watch. Hope you guys are all doing well. And today we're going to be doing an overview of this thing. This is a portable USB Type-C monitor. It has a native resolution of 1920 by 1080, 15-inch diagonal size. Now, portable monitors have been around for a while, but what makes this special is definitely the USB-C integration. Due to the fact that with one cable you can transfer data, sound, video, and power, makes it really compelling from a portability and convenience standpoint. Now, besides connecting a USB-C laptops, smartphones, and other devices, this is a pretty universally accepted display source because it also has a HDMI connection in the micro form, and you actually get an HDMI micro to standard HDMI size, so you can hook this up to really any kind of gaming console, Blu-ray player, or any kind of HD source that uses HDMI connectivity. You also have a 3.5mm headphone jack, and there are built-in speakers on this thing, which don't really sound that great, but are there for more of a convenience factor. Now, in terms of image control settings, you pretty much have no control settings besides the brightness settings. And even though this is technically a 1080p IPS display, if you do get on some extreme angles and vantage points, you will notice dramatic shifts in color and brightness. And the overall color rendition and quality of the display is definitely decent. I would put it more of a utility style display. I wouldn't rely on it for accurate color correction. It's definitely no reference monitor, and again, the price reflects that. Typically, these things retail for around $170 to $180, but you can get it on sale at times for about $110, and it does come with this magnetically attached cover. Similar kind of design approach as the Apple smart covers, where you have a couple of different viewing angles, and it definitely does a good job of protecting the display. One thing I'm super impressed with is the overall compact form factor. The weight is only around 770 grams, and it's only about 8.8 millimeters in terms of overall thickness. And couple this with a laptop or anything like that, it will make an excellent second screen. But what I'm going to be specifically using it for is connecting it with my Samsung Galaxy device that has DeX enabled. If you don't know about DeX, it's basically a system where you connect the Samsung device to an external display using the USB Type-C cable, and you pretty much get a desktop/laptop experience using your smartphone. You can hook up an external keyboard and mouse via Bluetooth and have a full-blown laptop/desktop setup anywhere you go. And with this kind of package, definitely makes it super convenient, and even you can use this setup to replace a laptop or tablet-like setup. So definitely a convenient factor. And when you take a look at the price of this thing, coupled with a high-end smartphone like the Samsung Galaxy devices, it really makes a compelling option and could definitely be a feasible laptop replacement device. But really, other than that, guys, that's really it. Now, check out the description down below where you find links for the Lepow USB-C portable monitor. It will be on sale this time around for about $110, and it's definitely not a bad deal at that price. So grab one if you're interested, and let me know what you guys think. Other than that, thanks again for watching. Thanks for your support. We'll see you later. Take care.